Hello everyone, welcome to Artoons. I am sure you are very excited to learn this animation. Now you can see that in this animation all the objects like clouds, kites, they are moving, they are changing their position in each frame. So in this project we are not going to use any layer and we are going to work on only frames. So let's get started. I am doing this animation in Wick Editor. First I am changing the settings of canvas. I am changing the pixels from 1000 to 600, and now this is our canvas. Now I have selected a brush, I have changed its size, and now I am making clouds. You need not to be so perfect in drawing clouds or drawing anything. Now I am selecting it, copying and pasting it, changing the size of the cloud, and I am placing the clouds at different positions. Now I am selecting a square. I have selected yellow color and I have selected stroke color and I have changed its size also. Now I am drawing a square and I am rotating it to make a diamond. Now I have selected circle to make its eyes. I have made one eye and then copy paste it. Now I am selecting a circle and I have changed its color to red to make the mouth. Here I am using path cursor tool to change the shape of the mouth. Now I am using line tool and I am using fill color to fill the color in this shape. Now I have decreased the size of the kite and changed its position. Now with the pencil tool I have drawn the thread. Now I am extending this first frame to 2 frames. Now I am selecting all the objects and then copy them, and then on 3rd frame I have pasted it, and now I am changing the position of the kite again. Now I have extended this 3rd frame also to 2 frames, that is 3rd and 4th. And again I have selected all the objects which are in 3rd frame. I have copied them and then on 5th frame I have pasted it. And here I am making changes in the position of the clouds and the kite. I have also increased the size of the kite. Here I am showing that the kite is flying high up in the sky. Now in 7th frame I am drawing another kite. It's a bigger kite. So I have selected a square and rotated it to make a diamond shape, and now I'm drawing the eyes using circle tool. Now I'm drawing the mouth. I'm drawing the eyebrows using a brush tool, and I have changed the size of the brush tool, and now I'm drawing the mouth. Again, using the path cursor tool, I am changing the shape of the mouth. Now using line tool, I am drawing this triangle shape. Now I am using fill color to fill the color in this shape, and now I am adjusting the size of this bigger kite, and now I am using a brush tool and color red, and I have changed its size to 7 to make its thread. Now I want to change the shape of the mouth, so I have deleted the previous shape, and using this circle tool I have made the mouth, and I have changed the direction of the eyes also to show that this smaller kite is looking at the bigger kite. And now I am changing the shape of this smaller kite and adjusting its position. Now again I have selected both the kites, and in next frame I have pasted the drawing. Now you can see that I am changing the direction of the eyes and also the shape of the mouth to make this animation more interesting and real, and also I am highlighting the point at which there is a cut in the thread. Now for next frame I am selecting only the yellow kite, and I have pasted it. Now I am selecting the thread and deleting it, and I am drawing the thread again using a pencil tool, and I am showing the two different threads. One is joined to the kite and another is falling down. Again I have copied some clouds from previous frames and I have pasted it here, and I am adjusting the position and size of the clouds. Now in next frame I have selected only the kite and pasted it. Again from previous frame I am selecting the clouds. I have extended the frame to 2 frames. Now using a brush tool and using fill color as brown color, I am drawing a tree to show that the kite is falling down to the ground. Now I am selecting the green color to make the leaves of the tree. And I am using fill color to fill this space. Now I am selecting all the objects, and next frame I have pasted it. Here I am reducing the size of the cloud. And also reducing the size of the kite. I have also rotated it a little. Now here I have selected the line tool to make the ground, and using this path cursor tool, I am adjusting the shape of this line. And now I am drawing the line figure. So I have used again the line tool to make the body and legs. I am changing the color to white and drawing the face. Now here I am rotating the face in upward direction to show that this line figure is looking at the sky, looking at the falling kite. Now here I have selected all the objects, and then I'll go to next frame and paste them. And in next frame I have changed the position of the line figure and also reduced the size of the kite. Now I am deleting the thread of the kite, and using a pencil tool I am drawing the thread again. And now I am adjusting the position of this line figure. And using this path cursor tool I have changed the position of the hands, and also I am adjusting the level of the ground and the position of the legs. Also I am deleting the mouth of the kite and drawing it again to show that the kite is happy. I have drawn a circle, and using the path cursor tool I have changed its shape. And now I am selecting the kite, and I have copied it and pasted it in the next frame. Here I am changing the direction of the eyes. And I I am selecting the clouds. Here I am adjusting the position and shape of the clouds using cursor tool. Now in next frame, I have pasted the drawing of the kite, and also I have copied some clouds and pasted them here, and now I am adjusting their shape and size. Now this is our last frame. Now I have played it once and I observed that the speed is too high, so I have reduced the frame size, and also I am changing the background color. So I have reduced the frame size to 5, and also I am changing the background color. Now I am using fill color tool to fill white color in the clouds. So here is our final animation. If you like this session, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll back with another tutorial. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.